2015 Ford Escape with the 2.5 four-cylinder engine. This vehicle, like most of the Escapes, or pretty much any platform that has the 2.5, is going to have issues with the main engine mount located on the left side of the engine bay right here. What ends up happening is that after the bushing wears down, this will actually start making contact. It's actually sitting on the frame right here. I know that's hard to see. You know what, let me get my light bar over here real quick. So as you can see, this is actually just sitting right down on the frame, and whenever the engine is running, you have a ridiculous vibration coming through the chassis. All right, first thing you need to do is get yourself a piece of wood and a floor jack. Put that piece of wood on the floor jack. Go ahead and put that and support the engine from underneath. Next, we need to go ahead and get the overflow tank out of the way. And this is held on by a little plastic clip here on the side. And it's the same thing on the back. Just lift up as you wiggle. There we go. All right. And with the engine supported from underneath, we can go ahead and start removing our bolts right there. They are 18s. And with these three nuts removed, we can start removing the brace that holds the engine mount on the frame side. They're held in with two bolts, one right there and the other one back here, kind of hidden. I don't know if that's going to show up on camera, but it's right back there. They're both 15 millimeter bolts. And with those bolts removed, we can now remove the entire assembly. You can see this is our new mount. So we're going to need this bracket from the old one. To remove the old mount, you need to get a pry bar, a flathead screwdriver, and pry this thing off. And with your pry bar, you can just pry these two hooks off of here on each side, and then just rotate it out like so. We got our new one. Make sure you install this the right way. Back that plate all the way to here and get yourself a good hammer and just bend that piece of metal over. And when you're done, it'll look something like that. Look at all that space we got now. And reinstall. When you're reinstalling the part that goes on the frame, make sure you start both bolts by hand first, because it probably won't line up if you don't do that. Go ahead and jack your engine up. This is seriously, the difference between that and the old one are like 2 inches of support. It's crazy. Main motor mount is done.